So it's the evening of day 3, and we're here at Dyrhólaey, and I think we're on the Nature Reserve. It's hard to tell. Birds nest here. It's cliffs, and right along the ocean. Of course, on the other side, there's mountains with mountains with glaciers, and it's interesting. That's mountains with glaciers over there, the ocean here. It's freezing cold up here, and there's people parasailing on the other side. So quite a mix.
It's very windy.
Very windy.
We're really glad that we bundled up, and again, we're really glad that we have this one-piece suit for Logan.
Yeah. It's a puffin. Yeah, he's got a big nose. Cute. He's got a cute nose.